Why do we still have to study Rizal? I've heard that question many times from classmates, from friends, and honestly, even from myself. But before I answer that question, let me introduce myself. Hi everyone, I'm James Bradley, and today I want to talk about a very interesting challenge given by historian Renato Constantino. Our task is to make Rizal obsolete. But here's the real question. Can we actually do that today? I believe the answer is no, not yet. You see, Constantino didn't mean that we should forget Rizal. What he meant was that Rizal should only become obsolete when the problem he criticized in society are already gone. In other words, when corruption disappears, when injustice no longer exists, and when Filipinos truly think critically and care for their country. But if you look around the Philippines today, many of those problems are still here. For example, every election season, we hear promises from politicians about change and better governance. But after election, we still see issues like corruption, misuse of public funds, and leaders who serve their own interests instead of the people. And when we see this problem, it reminds us of something. More than 100 years ago, Rizal already warned us about leaders who abuse their power and systems that allows injustice to continue. In his novel No Limitang Her and El Filibusterismo, Rizal exposed corruption, inequality, and the suffering of ordinary people. But Rizal didn't just criticize society. He also believed that the solution was education, awareness, and love for the nation. He believed that if Filipino learn to think critically and care about their country, real change could happen. And honestly, that message is still very important today. So, can Rizal be made obsolete? Maybe someday. But that will only happen when the Philippines become the country Rizal dream of, one where leaders are honest, justice is real, and every Filipino lives with dignity. Until the day comes, Rizal ideas will continue to guide us. Because the truth is, Rizal is not obsolete. If anything, his message is still speaking to us today.